It's Dmitry here again. Today I would like to discuss about different SQL functionality or different SQL operators, which is they can be really useful in your everyday life while you're working as a software developer. So let's jump into that. So the first one I would like to talk is called count, or it's usually used with distinct operator. So let's select everything from select this distinct and would say country, which is, again, I'm working with the same tables. It's companies and employees, as I usually do. Distinct country from table companies. Okay, it's going to show you the all companies, all unique companies that presented in this table companies. So essentially, it's important to understand all these companies, they are unique to this table. So another thing, if you would like to understand how many of these unique companies we do have in this table, we can use operator which is called count. So in this case, we type count and just place in the bracket the whole this thing. Cool. So as you can see now, when we executed this query, it shows out that there are 133 rows, or there are 133 unique countries per this table. So pretty awesome stuff, and it can be really helpful in some cases. Okay, let's move on. The next operator I would like to talk about is called order by. So idea is you can order like any data from a table by ascending or descending, and order by operator allows you to do that. Okay, let's start from ascending order, and let's work with companies table. Select everything from companies, and let's order by, and let's order by ID. And in order to order it by ID in ascending order, we have to type ASC. So let's execute it. So, and now you can see, like, because we specified, or we order by ID, ascending from small to bigger, right? So, and you can see like all this in the order, which is pretty cool. So now if you would like to type it in descending order, you can type this, and pretty much the rest is the same. You still have to use the order by. So let's see. So now you can see it's from bigger number, or the biggest ID, to the smallest one, right? Also pretty cool functionality, pretty cool standard SQL functionality and operators. Definitely would recommend you to use it as much as possible, and when you need it. Okay, let's move on to another operators. And these operators, guys, they are really, in many cases, they're really important and time savers, and we really need to understand them. It's a little bit difficult to grasp them, especially at the beginning, but anyway, let's start. Select everything from companies. Again, I'm just working with this table for now. And then specify left join employees, which is another table, right? Then I specify the keyword on, and again table companies dot id, and I'm going to explain you guys why I done that. Employees, and here we have company ID. So idea of this expression left join and on is when you try to combine two tables based on some kind of condition, and in this specific case I'm saying that the company's table ID should be equal to employees table company ID, and join based on this condition. But the idea is when you're using left join, all the left columns information will be selected, but all the right table information, not the whole right table information going to be selected, only the filtered information will be selected, and the information will be filtered based on this expression. Okay, let's select it, let's execute it, and it would be clear for you guys. Okay, cool. You can see overall 1006 rows, but we know that originally we have just 1000 rows, right, per table. But the idea is all these first columns, they are related to this table companies. So, and again, the whole table, companies table, is presented here. You can see the whole 1000 rows. But the idea is this part started from ID, first name, last name, email, and so on. It's data which is sitting in the employees table, and you can see there are only matches, or there are only like filtered rows here, like, and filtered based on this condition. So essentially I'm saying like where the company ID is equal to the company ID column in employees equal to IDs in the column of IDs of table company, then please show the employees table data in this case. And here we go, like there are like, I don't know, too many of them, but still around 20 or something. And all this is like all the matches, right? And again, the first table, or the left table in this case, the whole data is presented. That's how left join works. Alright, and I guess, guys, at the end, I also would like to discuss about another operator, which is also quite interesting and unique and really important one. So let's just try to write select from companies where ID between 1 and 10. Let's execute it, and I will explain what's going on here. So, okay, to be clear here, we just saying, please select, we just specify this range. We're just saying, in the table companies, where ID is between 1 and 10, including 1 and 10, then select the whole data. And you can see here, the whole data was selected. And IDs, the values of IDs between 1 and 10, that's how it works. Also, guys, I think later on I'm going to discuss about join right. But again, as you remember, based on join left functionality, or join left SQL standard functionality, the whole left table is going to be selected and only matched information going to be selected from right table. And in case of right join functionality or right join operators, it's just going to be completely opposite. That's the difference. I'm definitely going to show you guys later on, but I think video is long enough and I would like just to stop shooting this video. Thank you very much guys for your attention, for your watching, and hopefully I will see you in next video. Please subscribe if you still sticking with my tutorials. I'm trying to do my best, and hopefully guys you appreciate my work. If yes, please subscribe, like them, and thank you very much guys for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.